Here we go, super overtime. Short delivery, straight away, change of length.
Good start from Daniel. A bit too quicker for Habibur Sohan. That brings Saklan back on strike.
It's never easy to come in. You've been sitting out and you're not warmed up. It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
Gone are the days, Salman, but when we used to play, you get out, early shower, no more, because in white ball cricket, super over is on. You got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so it's taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, man.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Bounce again. Ahmed Danial backpedals and takes it. Very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going to forward as the follow-through puts the break, runs back and takes an easy catch.
He is a wonderful athlete. He just bowled it, the hard length, the extra effort ball, giving less time to Saklan, who tried to go big. Timing. And as you just mentioned, putting the brakes on, running back and completing a decent catch.
Yeah, banking on his strength, Ahmed Danial. Even the first ball that he bowled, banged into the length. Once again, too good for Saklan.
Jishan Alam, the last man in. Down the leg side, Nazi Gori got ran, but just not good enough. Rubbing salt into the wound, wide, goes for the boundary.
That's a gift. That's a gift from Ahmed Danial. Down the leg side, wide, 5 runs. Pressure, that's pressure, Salman.
No need to change, not at all. There's a fresh batter coming in, and now you just want to change your length. Not the right idea. And the keeper, well, he has had a tough time in the last 2 games.
Tailing down the leg side, hint of reverse swing. Nazi Gori, that's a valiant attempt. Fingertips and goes to a boundary for Danial. Right throughout in the death overs in the tournament, he's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right hander. He has to start around the 4th off stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam expecting a fuller delivery. He misses it and Danial strikes for the 2nd time.
Exactly as you just mentioned, just start from outside the off stump, and that length, once again the hard length, brings the undoing of Jishan, and the Bangladesh innings is over at 6 runs. Half the over bowled. 7 to get for Pakistan.
Yeah, to go. Bangladesh are done. Both their wickets are gone. Jishan Alam must have...
Again, I think the and Ahmed Danial, what a player he is. He's inching towards, for my opinion, even for the man of the series, the way he has performed. Just on Pakistan, Shaheen, maybe a right-hand, left-hand combination.
Yes, I wouldn't mind that. Mahas Sadakat.
For Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be side. The umpire will signal for a leg by.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from why those block hole. Yeah, from Bangladesh's point of view, a couple of dot deliveries might put the Pakistani batters under some sort of pressure.
Dot balls. Preferably a wicket. That is what Bangladesh would be looking for. And for Pakistan, they need to know it's just 1 hit.
Into reverse swing was tailing back in the left-handed Mahas Sadakat. Field remains the same. In the slot, running to speed it stroke. Directed would have had him. It was excellent cricket. That was excellent by Ripon Mandal. Off his own bowling, following through. Stumps off at the non-strikers and...
How good Ripon has been. On the target, under pressure, delivering the goods. Brilliant of the Yorker length delivery. Time and again, when Bangladesh has required, he has come up with the goods.
Great control, must say. Never easy bowling those Yorkers. And he's bowled 2 on 2. Here comes Ripon.
Full toss. Fine leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line to bowl. And Saad Masood, pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. And Sufyan Muki, he has to remember there's one more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Called ring. Look at him. Look at the dressing room enjoying. They know they require one now. It would require a miracle.
It's not finished until it's finished. Sufyan Mukim, he was sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. Brilliant. But under pressure, Shad Masood, what a shot. Pace, that was Hinton River's swing. You went with the swing. And Pakistan, Shahid, they can sense it. It's just one run away.
No more drama required. Yes, Ripon.
Oh, inside it and misses the stump. And with that, Pakistan Shaheen wins it in the Super Over. Oh, inside it and misses the stump.